Hello everybody, watch me use the new Tickled Pink Wax by Sexy Smooth Wax. They sent me this wax a few weeks ago, so I was very excited to try it. I'll be waxing my upper lip, my brows, sideburns, and chin. I did really like this wax. It's a very flexible wax. It does not dry super fast, but it dries fast enough to not have to wait for it to pool. The wax also did pick up the smallest hairs, which is always nice, and I did have to do only a few minimal cleanups, which is very normal with most waxes anyways. I'm super excited to try this wax on my clients. Possibly we'll be doing a Brazilian with this wax, to be determined, we'll see, but I will make a video of that. I'm very grateful to Sexy Smooth Wax for sending me their new wax again, as they did the Purple Seduction. I really do like this wax. Very nice, luxurious feeling wax, and they actually are very generously priced. So if you're looking into waxing, starting waxing or waxing at home, I really do recommend you look into Sexy Smooth Wax and order, and they always have some great sales as well. So thank you for watching, and this is just me doing my brow tints. And I will be posting a lot more videos this year. That is my New Year's resolution. So thank you again, and Happy New Year, everybody.